Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're making clear sticky notes now. Mix adhesive first so it's ready when you cut sheets. Combine 1 part clear PVA with a few drops of distilled water to lower viscosity, then stir until smooth so it spreads evenly. Once mixed, pour a thin line on a tray edge to test tack. Adjust with tiny water drops if it's too thick. Make sure to clean tools between steps to avoid clumps, and prepare your paper or acetate so cutting follows immediately. Now coat the backing material. Lay the acetate or translucent paper flat and brush a feather-thin adhesive strip along one short edge. This forms the reusable stick. Press slowly and evenly so you avoid bubbles. The reason is adhesive thickness controls tack and clear look. Once coated, align and cut into 3x3 in or preferred sizes using a ruler and cutter. Then dry flat for 30–60 minutes. Once dry, you'll have flexible edges. Finish by stacking your cut sheets flush and clamp them gently at the coated edge so the adhesive layers meet and cure together. This creates a pad you can peel from the top. Once cured, test on regular paper. You want reliable stick but easy removal. If adhesion is below 50%, unstack and recoat the edge or apply a thin new bead of adhesive, then dry again. If sheets stick too hard or curl, mist the coated edge lightly to rehydrate and soften the bond. That usually fixes curl.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.